something else.
This kind of goes along with movies, but the only other one we have on here that's not up there already is TV.
So kind of the same.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe along with TV is like a lot of people will binge watch Netflix. This is something that people do.
right. Yeah. For the same, okay, in the same kind of argument against.
Yeah.
Okay, what did you guys put that's...
Well, why do we have to go last? Because you guys take a little bit.
Okay, tell me just something else on your list that's up here somewhere. And where would you put it? Cleaning?
Well, reading sheet says cleaning is best. I say it's questionable.
Okay.
I'm in a good
Brianna, why did you say it's best? What is it about it from a stress physiology point of view? Why?
For me, it's satisfying. I feel good when I'm in the process of cleaning, and after I can relax and see that everything's in order, everything's tidy and neat, and it just makes me feel really good.
Okay, when you're cleaning, what's the feeling you have while you're cleaning that makes sure that stress doesn't turn on? What? Okay, there's satisfaction. There's another one that we talked about really recently too. You have total control, right? There's not, oh no, I'm vacuuming and I don't know, right? It's like, I got you and I got this guy, and you keep, every time, that satisfaction, every time you pick up your vacuum up something, you've gone, I got that. And at a very minimal level, but if you keep doing it over, I can see why.